we're going to give her a little bit of a bath, kind of a spray off.
This is what I could get done before I had to go get a harvester. I got a pile that I got to scoop up.
Hey y'all, it's Tuesday. Don't talk very loud. There's something going on out here. We don't want to scare it away. I don't know how long it's going to stick around, but we sure don't want to scare it away. We've been standing out here and enjoying it. Me and Emily came back here after work and moved all the junk on the concrete over there to one side, and me and Emily came back here and moved one of the stacks of cinder blocks. So there's 11 more stacks of cinder blocks to move now. Set it up on the concrete so that one day we might be able to rebuild that shed or whatever. I'm sitting in the shed, as you can see. I don't know. Catch y'all later. Hey y'all, it's Wednesday. You want to see the greatest sight ever? Just look at it. It's pouring down raining. I'm soaking wet from head to toe, and I'm loving it. Loving it. When you ain't had rain for so long, it's the greatest thing ever. I'm already soaking wet. So what do you do when you're already soaking wet? You go power wash something. As soon as I figure out which one I want to pick on. I got nothing else to do. So go home and sit in the house. It's boring. So I'm gonna pick something here, power wash it. Yeah. I don't know. I'm just too happy. I'm happy as shit in the kitten, you know. All right, y'all. We're gonna do something. Well, we washed my zero turn, Dad's zero turn, Dad's old red van, and Emily came by with my white truck, so I washed it too. My poor old 97 F250 ain't faring too well these days. That power washer took the paint off in a bunch of different spots. Shouldn't took the paint off. That thing normally don't have that kind of power. But anyways, it's all original paint on there. She's getting old, just like the rest of us. So, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do next. Oh. We can't do it like that, can we? Can't zoom in from that angle. Anyways, the 55 back there. The other day when I got done mowing with it, I brought it over and power washed it too. But the power washer got cut off on me, so I didn't quite get to finish it. So I probably should go finish that, but I'm gonna see what time it is. I might want to go home. Well, I decided I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna walk over here and turn my water off. This hose got a leak in it. Got a couple leaks in it. We had an issue with the water yesterday. Somebody flipped the switch off. Wasn't supposed to. Well, we also power washed all these milk cans. These old milk cans. We're going to use them in the wedding. Got some more to do. but save that for another day. Y'all be good. Catch you later. And I want to thank all the new subscribers. I really want to thank all y'all. That's awesome. I would love if we can keep this up and keep that on a roll. I mean, like the video. That pushes my video to more people. More people equals more subscribers. More subscribers equals more followers. You know, subscribers. Our goal is to get to 1,000. It's gonna be a long road. We would love to speed that process up, but for right now, subscribe, like the videos on Facebook, people. I mean, not on Facebook, people. On YouTube. YouTube is where it's at. Facebook, I'm just sharing it to Facebook so that y'all don't miss out. But that doesn't do me any good over on YouTube. So we got to go to the YouTube. But I'm going to go home. I'll catch y'all later for another day. It's not great, but it's a little bit better than it was. See what I'm talking about? That's terrible. I even got the hood too. It's terrible. I ain't never had paint fly out before. That looks like a little rust spot right there. Maybe that's why that one came off. That one shot right up the daggone top. Kind of looks like my fault. I don't know. What's done is done. I'm going home. Y'all be good. Howdy, y'all. We did a little bit of cleaning up here. Truck's in the way. That's Lyle. He's a subscriber. He's helping out clean up around here. We did a little mowing across here, cleaned up around here, cleaned up over here. The big part, we took a whole load of trash out of the old barn. Looks a lot better in here. We just got to put the gates back after we pick up all these pieces of metal that are laying everywhere. But we've been moving stuff out of the big shed so they can get ready to set up for the wedding. Now we got to move some more stuff out of the Quonset so that we can put some stuff back in the Quonset. Do a little switcheroo. And that's what we're working on today. We got to unload the hay wagon later. That'll be fun. Catch y'all later. got the bulldozer going. We're gonna take this wagon load of logs over here to by the fence, or over by the tree row, and unload it. Then we're gonna give it a bath. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know about today, but maybe tomorrow. We got some of the Farmalls out here lined up, just for fun. Although them parked everything in the way.